ChatGPT in EdrawMax app offers a user-friendly interface. After installation, simply tap the AI chat at the bottom to explore options like flowcharts, SWOT analysis, brainstorming, and more. You can start by typing your questions by simply typing your query in the chat box. Or use the voice-to-text feature for easy dictation using your device's microphone. Best ChatGPT apps for Android and iOS. ChatSonic offers a dynamic conversational experience with its advanced AI technology. Users can enjoy personalized and natural conversations, making it feel like talking to a real person. Genie boasts a powerful AI chatbot that can understand and respond to complex queries with ease, and its unique feature lies in its ability to learn and adapt to the user's preferences. Frank excels in witty and humorous responses, making conversations lively. The app also provides exclusive access to interactive storytelling and personalized chat recommendations. AI Chat distinguishes itself with its comprehensive knowledge base, delivering accurate and informative responses to a wide range of queries. The app also offers unique access to a variety of chat styles. Nova AI provides an advanced chat experience with personalized suggestions, enhancing engagement and insight for users, making conversations more engaging and insightful.